The bulls are checking out that holiday shopping list on Wall Street. This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore. Here's what's happening. Coming off a better than 3% gain on the blue chips with a big rally last week. It's a positive atmosphere as we get underway on this Monday morning, and the Dow is in firm territory. Let's take a look at the preview coming in from overseas markets, mostly higher. The Nikkei in Japan up 13 3/4 at 17,635. The Hang Seng Hong Kong up just about 292 points, a gain of 1.25% at 23,408.57. The FTSE in London up 60 at 66.05. The DAX in Germany up 100 at 99.87. The CAC Quarante up 24 at 42.65. Oil back to the downside with OPEC saying they're not raising production, no way, no how, and down $1.03 at 56.10. A drop of almost 2% at report time. Gold down about $1 at 11.95. And we're following these stories. We have Caesars Entertainment merging with Caesars acquisition, market capitalization about $3.2 billion. Boeing coming up with a $6 billion sale to Air China for their 737s. And Gilead Sciences trading lower as AbbVie gets the thumbs up on their hepatitis C drug from Express Scripts. And the National Activity Index, that's from the Chicago Fed, showing great strength in November at a 73 reading compared to 31 in October. That's your information. Don't ever, unless you will, remember those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.